What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install Gboard in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open Play Store and then go to the search bar and search Gboard, and then tap on Gboard app on the top. So this is the original Gboard app, the Google keyboard by Google LLC. So to install Gboard, tap on install, and then after few seconds according to your internet speed it will be downloaded and installed. So after downloading it will automatically install the Gboard app, and after installing you can click on open and then tap on enable in settings. Now from here enable Gboard, and from the pop-up tap on OK, and then tap on select input method. Now from here select Gboard, and now you can use Gboard. So that's how you can install Gboard in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.